Livingston Parish Public Works Department spends an enormous amount of time and resources on beautification and drainage. However, when trees become an issue of public safety or hinder job performance, the department performs tree trimming and removal.
We do some tree removals within our right-of-way. If there's a dead tree in our right-of-way that could pose a safety hazard, we would go in, actually have somebody come in. If it's a large tree, someone that's in that business come in and they'll knock it down. Other than that, basically we just trim back limbs, either while we're cutting, doing the grass cutting, they'll trim back some there, or either we'll send another crew out with some pole saws if it's hit top of buses or something like that, and kind of trim them. But other than that, we don't do a lot of tree removal ourselves.
For more information on tree trimming or removal, please visit the Livingston Parish Public Works Department website at www.livingstonparishla.gov. You can also call 225-686-3030 or toll free at 1-800-730-3029. Livingston Parish, a great place to call home.